Decided I'm going to start this end, and the reason is I have the boards in the wood shop for going around that window, and I'd rather get them out of there before winter and use them. The reason I set them aside is they're a little narrower, a little thinner I should say, but I have to go around the whole thing with one layer, and then the second layer I can use the 3/4 inch, or I could just use the same stuff. It's very close but a little less. I can't mix it with the other though. It's a significant difference. It would not work mixing it with the other 3/4 inch stuff I have. It's some stuff I salvaged out of a building when I was taking out the floor. Okay, so the first task though, to work on it, I have to be able to put ladders up. And it is going to be a little tricky getting up there. I need to put that edge on. I need to put the scallop metal on. I need to put the extended drip edge on. So there's going to be it's going to be tough working with a ladder. So the only thing I can really do that I would like to do, and I'm started, is I dug down in and started laying some granite up. I tried to slant it away a little bit because remember, it's always going to settle some, and the dirt out here is harder than in there. Maybe I didn't slant it enough. I hope I did, but we'll hopefully it'll be okay. So I got the first one on really nice, really solid. It works great for getting the ladder up there, which will get me partway across here, partway up there, and then a longer ladder should get me up higher. The trick is, do I have the right size ladder? But we'll see. I have other ladders. I might have to bring more up here. So then I started digging this next set, and you can tell. So the dirt on top is soft. It's probably from mulch and everything else. So I dug that off, and you can see I'm still digging it off here in this corner. And I'm getting down to the hard dirt. This stuff has clay in it. So if I can dig down far enough here, move that over here onto good dirt, and then I can build my platform right here. So I'm going to try to go longer with this set, and then I'm going to build it up maybe 3 or 4 high. We'll see. I wish I could go closer there, but I really can't because it's just not good dirt there. And I still don't know what I'm doing. Eventually in there I may dig this out more for more wood storage in there. I'm not sure. You know, maybe this corner. I'm not sure. That might be a whole project in itself. But for now I'll finish this. I'm going to start setting aside some pieces of natural stone to go there. At least the top one needs to be raw stone. The back of it with no backing on, because that way it's not slippery. You can walk on it easily. You can set the ladders on it. If you put the polished side up, everything's going to slide. You're going to slide. The ladders will slide. Everything. So it looks nicer, but this is the way to go. I've learned that. Okay, so I'm going to quit for this morning. I spent almost 2 hours on this. You can see it takes time for prep. And this isn't the last one. I need one over here too, because I need to be able to get up there. So I'm going to have to dig out another one right here to get into this corner good. Okay, so all we're doing is prepping for ladders, but very important. And it'll make painting, it's not just the molding. We got to prime this, we have to paint this. So I need to have access to it many times. So I might as well get it built and get it built nice so I can move my ladders around and have access. Preparation.